Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. A library management system, LMS, is a crucial tool for efficiently managing and organizing library resources. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of creating a simple library management system using Python. We'll cover key aspects such as data storage, user interface, and basic functionality. Before we start, make sure you have the following installed. Create a new directory for your project and navigate to it in the terminal. We'll be using the SQLite database for data storage. Install the sqlite 3 library. Create a file named library.db to store our library data. Define the structure of your database. Open a Python script, example database_setup.py, and create tables for books and members. Run the script to set up the database. Create a Python script, example library_system.py, to implement the LMS. Execute the library_system.py script to launch the library management system. You can now add, view, and manage books in your library through the simple GUI. This tutorial covers a basic implementation. Feel free to expand and enhance the system based on your specific requirements, adding features like member management, borrowing and returning books, and more. ChatGPT.